children, welcome to our English class. We are in block 2, people, places and things. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 3 children, Pat the cat and Gwen the hen. Okay children, keywords are cat, hat, can, fan, pet, net, pen, hen. All these keywords we are going to learn in these 2 poems children. Pat the cat is a poem in the reader and Gwen the hen is also a poem. Let us see what is there in these 2 poems. Okay children, now all of you take out your English readers. Children, open your reader, page number 15. Let us read this phonic rhyme. Pat the cat. Keep your finger on the line children. I have a cat. His name is Pat. Pat the cat is very fat. Pat has a rag. Pat has a tag. Pat likes to go into my bag. Pat has a can. Pat has fan. Pat even has a pal called Dan. Pat sat on my lap. He sat on my map. Then Pat had a nap in my black cap. Let us read it once again. I have a cat. His name is Pat. Pat the cat is very fat. Pat has a rack. Pat has a tag. Pat likes to go into my bag. Pat has a can. Pat has fan. Pat even has a pal called Dan. Pat sat on my lap. He sat on my map. Then Pat had a nap in my black cap. Children, this is the rhyme about a cat. What is the name of the cat children? The cat's name is Pat. And Pat is very fat. Pat has a rag and Pat has a tag. Pat likes to go into bag and Pat has a can also children. Pat has a fan. Pat even has a pal. So pal means what children? Friend. Pal means friend. So this cat is also having a friend. What is his name? Dan. Okay, Pat sat on my lap. This cat, this Pat will sit on the lap and on the map also children. Then Pat had a nap. Nap means we will sleep, no children? It's called nap. So where it will take a nap? In my black cap. Okay children? So now let us see rhyming words children. Rhyming words. I will explain you rhyming words children. This is rhyme, no children? This is a poem. So where we will have rhyming words? We will have rhyming words at the end of the line children. The last word of the poem's line is rhyming word. All the last words are rhyming words children. Okay, now let us underline the rhyming words. Take pencil children. I have a cat. His name is Pat. Now underline Pat children. P-A-T Pat. This is rhyming word. Okay children. Then Pat the cat is very fat. Fat is rhyming word again. Okay children. Then next. Pat has a rag. Pat has a tag. This is again rhyming word. So underline the rhyming word. Pat likes to go into my bag. Underline the rhyming word. Pat has a can. Pat has fan. Underline the rhyming word. Pat even has a pal called Dan. Rhyming word. Underline. Pat sat on my lap. He sat on my map. Underline the rhyming word. Then Pat had a nap in my black cap. Underline the rhyming word. See children, the rhyming words will be at the end of the line. The last word will be the rhyming words children. If you see Pat, fat, tag, bag, fan, Dan, map, cap. Okay children, this is the easiest way to find out the rhyming words in a rhyme. Okay children. Now children, turn the page. Let us read another phonics rhyme. Gwen the hen. I have a hen. Her name is Gwen. Gwen the hen is in her pen. Gwen is my pet. She can get wet. Sometimes I bring her to the vet. We will read once again children. Gwen. Gwen. Gwen the hen. I have a hen. Her name is Gwen. Gwen the hen is in her pen. Gwen is my pet. She can get wet. Sometimes I bring her to the vet. Okay children, this is the rhyme about Gwen. Who is Gwen? Gwen is a hen children. Okay, Gwen is a hen. Her this is Gwen children. Gwen is a hen. Okay, she is in her pen. This is called pen children. The hens, where the hen lives, is called the pen children. Gwen is my pet. Okay, we too will keep hens as pet, no children. She can get wet. Okay children, when water falls on this hen, she will get wet. Sometimes I bring her to the vet. VET, vet means veterinarian children. Veterinarian means a person who takes care of animals is called veterinarian children. When we fall sick, we'll go to doctor. Yes, veterinarian means animals doctor children. Okay, in this poem also let us underline the rhyming words. Okay children, so where is the rhyming word? I have a hen. Her name is Gwen. So Gwen. Then Gwen the hen is in her pen. Gwen, pen are rhyming words children. Gwen, pen. Gwen is my pet. She can get wet. Sometimes I bring her to the vet. Okay children, now underline. Wet, vet. These are the rhyming words. Fine? Children, let us write classwork. Write today's date with the help of scale and red color pencil. Draw double margin children. Like this. You have to draw the line here and here children. Okay, this is double margin. Children, in this line we will write block's name. BLOCK. Block, put a small dash. 2. Put one finger gap. Write capital P. PEOPLE. People, put a comma, one finger gap. Capital PLACES. Places, finger gap. AND and finger gap. Things, THINGS. Things, full stop. Now here we will write question number 1 children. Capital W. WHAT. What? One finger space. ARER. What are? One finger space. Naming words. NAMING. Naming. One finger gap. Words. WORDS. What are naming words? Question mark. Here we will write answer. ANS. Answer. Capital WORDS. Words. One finger gap. That. 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 Finger gap. Name. 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 One finger gap. people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People, comma, one finger gap. Places, P-L-A-C-E-S. Places, comma, one finger gap. Things, T-H-I-N-G-S. Things, one finger gap. And, A-N-D. And, one finger gap. Animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals, one finger gap. R, A-R-E-R, one finger gap. Called, C-A-L-L-E-D. Called, one finger gap. Naming words, N-A-M-I-N-G. Naming, one finger gap. Words, W-O-R-D-S. Full stop. Next line, write down naming, N-A-M-I-N-G. Naming, one finger gap. Words, W-O-R-D-S. Naming words, one finger gap. R, A-R-E-R, one finger gap. Known, K-N-O-W-N, one finger gap. As, A-S, as. Nouns, N-O-U-N-S. Nouns, full stop. What are naming words? Words that name people, places, things and animals are called naming words. Naming words are known as nouns. Children, classwork also write like this neatly and complete the workbooks S1 and S2. Okay children?